And there is your first glance. This was Max Flathead. I was researching on the way up, and I believe it's the Magnadyne 6.8 liter. So I guess it'd be nice if it had the diesel, but that's no big deal. It's an inline 6, and geez, now I'm looking at it. We got one plug missing on the back. That rotted off completely. All right, well that's a red flag, guys. Got some AC Delcos in it. I'll have to get a ratchet on that crank and see what we got. This one's a little tighter. Check the oil. Looks good. Black and not over full. Well, it was like a ½ inch over, so maybe we'll still check that drain plug if this engine's not locked, which I'm really thinking it's gonna be. Tell me if you've ever seen a fill like that. Quick action, and you can't lose the oil cap. Ingenious. Wow, the front of this frame is beautiful. It's all this original red paint on it. Oh man, absolutely gorgeous. Little tiny distributor on there. Nothing as far as you can see. Choke's locked up on the carb. Oh, the throttle wiggles a touch. That's a good sign. Maybe just the linkage locked up. I have to flex this air boot out of the way and just snapped right off. Let's get at that crank bolt. I was talking to him. He said this chain, he can use this for pulling stuff in the yard. This is like his reliable anchor point throughout many years. I forgot I did throw a shovel in my truck among all this other hoarding collection. I really got to get a service truck down the line. Kind of been watching them. Check out this too. He gave me this. He said this is an old school blinker of some sort, a turn signal, mechanical one. I've never seen something like that. I'll have to research it. We get the leaf blower too. Should probably put this off first. Anyway, less falling on us when we go under it. You gotta love how these are dished so that penetrating can just sit there and